Let's make some stovetop carne asada. I have 2 pounds of ranchera steak meat. I have some chopped cilantro and white onion, and I'm going to add that to the meat. This is the juice from half of a lemon. Add that in there. Add the juice of half of an orange. I didn't have that, so here's a little bit of OJ that I had in the fridge. Now we're going to add a little bit of soy sauce. If you have Worcestershire sauce, also known as Worcestershire sauce, add some of that too, but I'm all out. Time for the seasonings. I'm going to add some carne asada seasoning. Literally, it's all to taste. I'm going to add some smoked paprika. This is mainly for color, but also to give it that smoky flavor you would get if you're grilling it outside on the barbecue. I will be using a blend of salt, pepper, and garlic. There's so many brands you could use. Anything will work. I love garlic, so I'm just going to be adding garlic a ton because I love it. You don't have to add more garlic if you're not a fan of garlic. Now just mix all of this up. So this is what it looks like all mixed up. I wish you guys could smell this right now. It smells so good. I'm about to cover this and marinate it for like 2 to 3 hours. You can literally cook it right now. You could marinate it overnight, but I'm just gonna do it for 2 to 3 hours. So we'll come back when it's time to cook. It's time to cook. So I put some oil in a pan and I'm gonna go ahead and throw the meat in there. I got 3 pieces of meat in there. I'm just gonna cook them in little batches till everything's done. You literally just need to cook it like 3 minutes on each side and they're done. I'll show you once they flip over. I flipped it over, so this is what it's looking like. So after 3 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on a plate and put the next batch in. So just continue to cook all the meat until you've cooked it all. Alright, now the meat is done. You can eat this with veggies and a quesadilla, chop it up, put it in tacos, and it's super good. I really hope you guys give this recipe a try.